With the new LEVOIT vacuum, you can get pristine results every time you clean. Let's get to work. The LEVOIT VortexIQ 40 Cordless Stick Vacuum comes with everything you need to get your deepest clean. To begin, attach the vacuum head and body to the stick and let the vacuum fully charge. Once it's ready, turn on the vacuum and start cleaning. The vacuum will automatically start in auto mode. This mode uses DPC technology to make automatic suction power adjustments based on the amount of dust passing through the vacuum. To control this suction power level manually, simply press the plus or minus icons. As you clean, the control panel will display everything you need to know. If you'd like to use an attachment, press and hold the vacuum body release button and gently pull the vacuum body away from the stick. Add your chosen attachment to the vacuum body and clean. You can also press the vacuum head release button to remove the vacuum head and then add an attachment, giving you a longer reach. When the dustbin reaches the max line, it's time to empty it. First, turn off the vacuum and remove the vacuum body by pressing the vacuum body release button. Then hold the dustbin over a waste bin and press the dustbin release button. Once emptied, you can remove the dustbin and rinse it under water to keep it clean. Make sure it's completely dry before reassembling. First, remove the metal filter from the dustbin and rinse it with water. Next, remove the pre-filter housing from the top of the vacuum body. Then remove the pre-filter. Gently tap the pre-filter over a waste bin to remove dust and debris. Finally, remove the main filter housing from the back end of the vacuum body, then remove the main filter. Gently tap the main filter over a waste bin to remove dust and debris. If the filters are especially dirty, rinse them with water to clean them. Allow all filters to dry completely before reinstallation. First, turn off the vacuum and press the vacuum head release button to remove the vacuum head. Then, press the roller brush release button and pull out the roller brush. Carefully remove anything wrapped or trapped around the roller brush. Once finished, reinsert the roller brush and slide the side panel up to lock it in place. To remove the battery, turn off the vacuum. Press the battery release button and remove the battery. To reinstall the battery, slide it back into the slot until you hear it click into place. For your convenience, the vacuum can be stored and charged on the mountable charging dock, along with the included accessories. After 4 to 5 hours, the vacuum will be ready to go. We hope you enjoy deep cleaning with the LEVOIT VortexIQ.
Provides efficient deep cleaning for your whole home. Efficiently remove dirt and debris from the hard floor. Ensures longer cleaning sessions. Attach the crevice nozzle to clean narrow depths. Attach the brush nozzle and extend the wand to clean without stooping. Make multi-surface cleaning a breeze. Ensures an exceptionally wide cleaning radius. Simply step on the pedal for quick cord retraction.
Life is full of messes. The fun messes and the not-so-fun messes. The Nano by Lunaglow has you covered. With our dual-tank technology, you can vacuum and mop your floors. And lightweight, cordless convenience means cleaning just isn't as much work as it was before. You don't even have to clean the brush rollers. Our self-cleaning mode has it covered. Charging. Lunaglow Nano makes cleaning fast.